Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Techavro. Hope you all are doing great. So today I'm going to show you how to get rid of ghost emails on iPhone. So we have 3 steps on this video. The first one is go to your mail and tap edit and tap select all and then tap mark as read. Go back to your home screen and go to your settings. From here go to mail and now go to accounts. From here tap Gmail and turn your mail button off. Now go to back to your home screen. From here remove your mail and settings and now go back to your settings. From here turn your mail option on, and this is the last step that I'm going to show you now. So that would be, if this option and this method is still not working, then just restart your iPhone and then it will be helpful for you. So yeah, this is how you will get rid of your ghost email on iPhone. So thanks for watching. Hope this video helps you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon button. See you in the next video. Bye bye.